On the hill where the red berries glow, a tree stands where the cold winds blow. Its roots run deep in the ancient ground, where whispers of old gods still resound. Oh, Rowan tree, keep watch for me. Your branches guard my destiny. Through shadowed paths and midnight skies, you light the way where silence lies. The wanderer lost in the fading day finds shelter